Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add the Roman numbers in the footer in Microsoft Word 2026. So this is super useful for the alignments, reports and format documents where page numbers need to look professional. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open a blank document in your Word. So as you can see, I have this blank document available. Now you just have to scroll to the bottom of the page and you need to simply double click on the footer area. So once you do this, you just have to go to the insert tab here on the top. Now you are going to see the option of header and footer. So among these, you just have to click on the option of footer. So this is going to activate the footer editing mode. While in footer, you can go to the header and footer menu at the top, and here you can see the option of page number as well. So when you click on the option of page number, it is going to open some further options in front of you. Among these, you will notice that we have bottom of page option. So you just have to select a style, whether you want to just get the number in the center or in the side. So here, let's say I want the number in the center, so I'm going to be selecting it over here. And as you can see, we have the page numbering in our footer available. Now in order to change the number to the Roman style, what you need to do is you need to simply just go to the page number option again. So here, go to the insert, go to the page number option. After that, you just have to simply click on the option of format page number. Now you will see this type of window in front of you. Over here, you will see the option of page number. So when you see it, you just have to click on this drop down menu. Here you will see the Roman numbers. So these are the Roman numbers, as you can see over here. Now simply hit OK, and as you can see, we have the Roman numbers available in the footer of our document. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.